Hi everyone, let's discuss how to create a Spring Boot application using Maven. There are multiple ways to create a Spring Boot application, but we are going to discuss at least two use cases how we can create a Spring Boot application. First one is we can use a Spring Initializer. If you search Spring Initializer in the Google, it will redirect to a web application. So there you can able to select a Java project and you can add a group ID and a package name and all the dependencies. You can add it and you can download the project. Another way is using Spring Starter project. So in if you are using Eclipse or STS tool, like you can directly you can create a project from the Spring Boot a starter project plugin. So let's see how we can create the project. Let's search by Spring Initializer in Google. So you can see the first link, Spring Initializer. So here, if you see, like, we can able to select the language and we can select the Maven project and we can see the Spring Boot version, and here we can specify the group ID com.java, and you can give the project name as sample project, and you can give the description for your project, and and also you can give the package name for your application, and later you can able to see the packaging type is jar or var type. Also you can select the Java versions. You can select the Java 17, and also we can select a lot of useful dependencies. We need at least Spring Web and Spring development tools, and if we required Spring Boot data JPA. So whichever the dependencies you want, you can select it, and also you can look into the pom.xml. Here itself we have a explore option. If you look into the explore option, you can able to see all the configuration details. Like you can just see the pom.xml, the dependencies you selected, like Spring Boot Starter Web and Spring Boot Dev Tools. Uh, what is the configuration it is added into your pom.xml, all the dependencies and all the information will be available. Once you verify it, you can just close it, and you can just uh, click on generate. It will going to download it. Your sample Spring Boot project is gets downloaded. Another way is you can able to create it using Spring Boot starter project. So let's go to Eclipse IDE, or I'm using Spring Boot Suite IDE. So you can just click on File and click on New, and you can see Spring Boot starter project. So here also it's the same way. You can just give the project name and you can just select the Java version, and also you can select the language. You have a Kotlin, Groovy and Java, you can select Java. Also you have to give the group ID, artifact ID, and the version and the description for your project, and also you can update the packaging name, and you can click on next, and you can able to select the required dependencies. Also you can select the Spring Boot version and click on finish and create the project. These are the very easiest way to create a Spring Boot application. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.